In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Verdict database. Verdict is an analytic query processor that enables interactive exploration of large-scale data with small computational resources. Verdict's core feature is its ability to quickly produce 99.9% accurate answers running on top of any existing database systems. To demonstrate its performance benefits, I'm going to run the same queries on two systems. On the left side, I'm going to run the queries on Spark. On the right side, I'm going to run the queries through Verdict. After the answers are returned from both systems, I'll compare their answers and their query latencies. The first set of queries are relatively simple aggregate queries. Let me run this average query on Spark by clicking this Run button. Spark returned each answer. The query latency, displayed at the bottom of this notebook, was 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Let's run the same query on Verdict then. Verdict returned each answer, which is very close to the answer from Spark. The runtime was 5 seconds. Verdict brought 59.6 times speedups. Next, let me run this count query on Spark. Spark took 5 minutes. Now let me run the same query through Verdict. Verdict returned each answer, which is very close to the answer from Spark. The runtime was 4 seconds, so Verdict produced 75 times speedup. Next, I'm going to analyze the relationship between the orders of the items in shopping cart and their reorder rate. On Spark, this query took 4 minutes and 95 seconds. Verdict took 7 seconds. The speedup was 42.7 times. Based on either of the answers, you can observe the correlation between the orders of the items in shopping carts and their reorder rates. Next, let's analyze what kinds of items were most widely sold. The first query computes a group by count over the joins of 4 tables. Let me run this on Spark. Spark returned each answer after 55 minutes and 20 seconds. Let me run the same query through Verdict then. Verdict returned each answer after 25 seconds. This means that Verdict returned an answer 132.8 times faster. Their answers look almost identical. Next, this query asks how the order frequency changes during a day. The frequencies are grouped by the types of the products. Let me run this query on Spark first. On Spark, it took 1 hour and 9 minutes. Next, I run the same query through Verdict. It took 50 seconds. This means that Verdict returned an answer 82.8 times faster. The answers look almost the same. For example, you can find some unusual sales patterns for alcohol products. This is the end of this demo. In this demo, I ran the same set of queries both on Spark and Verdict. Compare their answers and their query latencies. We could observe that Verdict returned the answers 34 to 133 times faster, but its approximate answers were almost identical to the exact answers returned from Spark. If you want to learn more about Verdict, visit our website, verdictdb.org. Thank you.